How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about my hobbies today.
Oh yeah? That's fun. Talking about hobbies is always nice. Actually, maybe we should introduce ourselves first.
Right. Hi everyone, I'm Emma. I live in Portland. I like coffee, dogs, and sunny days.
And I'm John. I live in the same city as Emma, Portland, Oregon. I like hiking, movies, and eating too much pizza.
You really do love pizza.
I do. It is my special skill. Pizza eating champion.
Is that your hobby too?
Yes. Yes, it is. Absolutely.
Okay. So today we are talking about hobbies and skills, the things we like to do and the things we are good at.
Yeah. And we want to help you talk about your hobbies too. So, Emma, what hobbies do you have?
I have many hobbies. I like reading books. I like baking cookies. I like drawing. But my favorite hobby is playing the guitar.
Oh yeah. You've played guitar since you were a kid, right?
Yeah, my dad taught me when I was about 8 years old. At first, I was really bad. My fingers hurt all the time.
But now you're amazing. You can play so many songs.
Thanks, John. What about you? What hobbies do you have?
Well, I like hiking, I like photography, and I love playing basketball. But my best skill is cooking.
Yes, John makes the best homemade burgers.
Thank you.
No, seriously, your cooking is a real skill. Did you learn from your mom?
Yeah, my mom cooked a lot when I was growing up. She showed me how to make simple things first, like eggs and pasta. Then I learned bigger things, like not burning the chicken.
That's important. Burnt chicken is not good.
For sure. So yeah, cooking is a hobby and a survival skill.
True. We all need food.
Exactly. Hey, have you ever tried cooking something really difficult?
I once tried to make homemade macarons.
Ooh, fancy.
It was a disaster. They looked like little pancake cookies, flat, ugly, but they tasted okay.
Hey, taste is the most important part.
That's true.
So, what other skills do you have?
Let me think. Oh, I'm really good at organizing things. My closet, my desk, my computer, everything has a place.
Oh, wow. I need that skill. My desk looks like a tornado attack. A small tornado.
I can help you clean it sometime.
Please do. That would be great.
What about you, John? Any secret skills?
Secret skills? I can whistle really loud.
Yes, I know that skill. Very loud.
It's good for calling my dog.
True.
You know, I think hobbies help us enjoy life more.
I agree. When I play guitar, I feel happy, calm. It's like time stops for a moment.
Yeah. When I cook, I forget about stress. I just focus on making something good, and then I get to eat it.
Delicious therapy.
Exactly.
What about new hobbies? Is there something you want to learn?
Yes, I really want to learn a language. Maybe Spanish or Japanese.
Oh, that's cool. Why those?
Well, I love Japanese food, and I visited Mexico once. Everyone there was so kind, and I wished I could talk more with people.
That's a great reason. Languages are amazing. I want to learn how to dance, like salsa dancing.
Salsa like this?
No, not like that. But I appreciate the effort.
Thanks. Maybe we can take a class together.
That sounds fun, actually.
And I also want to learn knitting.
Knitting? Really?
Yeah, it looks relaxing. And then I can make a scarf and give it to someone as a present.
That's sweet. A handmade gift is the best.
Exactly. It feels special.
Hey, if you start knitting, maybe I'll start making cookies again. Then we can trade. Cookies for scarves.
Deal.
You know, sometimes people think hobbies have to be big things, like playing piano or painting beautiful art.
Yeah, but hobbies can be simple too, like going for walks, listening to music, watching birds, playing games on your phone.
Yes, if it makes you happy, it's a hobby.
And everyone has different skills. Maybe you're good at fixing things, or good at making people laugh.
Those are great skills.
Right. You don't have to be the best, just enjoy it.
So friends watching this, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
Can you cook? Can you draw? Do you play a sport? Do you dance?
Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to learn about you.
And remember, you can always learn something new. You're never too old or too young.
Yes, I started baking cookies again last month. I'm learning slowly, and it's fun.
And I will try to learn Spanish this year. Maybe you can be my teacher, Emma.
I only know 5 Spanish words.
Perfect. Lesson 1, teach me cookie.
Galleta.
Galleta. Delicious word.
See, we're already learning.
Hobbies make life better. They help us relax. They help us grow.
They help us be ourselves.
Yeah, I like that. So find something you love and do a little of it every day.
And share it with a friend, like we do.
Exactly. All right. I think that's all for today.
Thank you for watching and practicing English with us.
We had fun. We hope you did too.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep enjoying your hobbies.